Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor with Tropic Shores Realty here in Citrus County, Florida. Today, I am in the community of Citrus Springs touring this new construction home built by Citrus Craft Homes. It's listed with Stewart Wasoba Jr. with Terra Vista Realty Group. This property is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage home on a quarter-acre here in Citrus Springs. There's no homeowners association in Citrus Springs. The address is 9160 North Athens Drive in Dunnellon, Florida. This property is currently listed for $279,990. It is the beginning of August here in 2026. So if you're interested in this property, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. Of course, you can find all the details, address, price, all the details down below in the description. So come join me on a tour. Thanks so much for joining me on this home tour. Again, this property is built by Citrus Craft Homes, located here in Citrus County, Florida. This is a beautiful home with over 1,900 living square footage, priced under $280,000 here in the beginning of August 2026. Just a beautiful property. So if you're interested in it or any other home for sale here in Citrus County, Florida, give me a call at 352-507-5675. Have a good one.